Hi, I'm Mona Wafa and welcome to this course named Hands-on Android Application Components Activities. It's provided by Pact Publishing. In this video, we are going to take an overview of this course that we are going to master activities. I have about 8 years of software development experience and about 5 years of it was specifically on mobile development. During the course, I'll be sharing related subjects that I myself had been struggling for so long as a beginner. Activity is one of the most important components of any application. If you want to build your own Android apps, which can be easily expanded and maintained, then this is the course you should go for. In this course, you will understand all concepts of any activity and you will be amazed to see how you can easily customize your own activity. Then, you will learn to make your application more enjoyable and enhance the user experience by handling configuration changes. Test your activity and make sure it always stays the same. By the end of this course, you'll have a very strong foundation in activity to bring flexibility to your app. Make your Android application more user-friendly. Make all your creativity happen and create your dream application. Now let's take a look at our roadmap of this course. In this course, you'll start with the most basic and fundamental concept of activity and progressively dive into deeper topics. First, we will explore basic and fundamental information about our Android Studio and also the activity. Next, it's time for activity lifecycle and configuration changes, which is one of the core and at the same time most important aspects of an Android app to understand and handle, especially if you would be willing to add fragments to your activity. Then, it's time for interacting with other apps and components. And up next is time to understand the communication flow of activities better. That's when you need to learn about packaging your data as serializable and parsable. And while you want to communicate with your activities, you need to have a deep understanding of processes. When it's time for testing your app, activities serve as container for every user interaction within your app. So it's important to test how your app's activities behave during device level events. And last but not least, you will learn about UI features and will set up material design. Get more familiar with UI components such as buttons and selection controls. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know about activity service. Prerequisites of this course are pretty simple. Any computer running Android Studio on it, you can run a simple Hello World app on your computer using an emulator, basic knowledge of Android programming, and of course Kotlin. In this tutorial, I assume you're comfortable with basics of Android programming. Our goal is to help you to master the art of implementing activities. If you're looking forward to mastering the art of implementing various activities and easily make flexible UI, interact with users, test your activity, and understand activities usage, then this course is for you. You just need to have a basic understanding of Kotlin. Join me on this amazing journey and let's master activity at Pact Publishing.